Imagine walking into your dream home. A place that reflects your style and meets your needs perfectly. If your home feels outdated or cramped, you're not alone. Many homeowners desire a transformation that enhances functionality and adds value. At Emperor Building Group, we specialize in comprehensive home renovations in Giralang. Our skilled professionals are here to turn your vision into reality. We offer customized designs tailored to your unique aesthetic. Our commitment to quality ensures exceptional craftsmanship every time. Plus, we keep you informed throughout the entire process. Firstly, we enhance your property value significantly. A beautifully renovated home attracts higher resale prices. Secondly, we modernize your living spaces with stylish designs and smart finishes. And finally, our renovations improve functionality, optimizing layouts to suit your family's lifestyle. What sets us apart? Our local expertise means we understand Giralang's unique architectural styles. We ensure your renovation blends seamlessly with the neighborhood. Ready to transform your home into the sanctuary you've always dreamed of? Contact Emperor Building Group today for a consultation. Let's elevate your spaces and create a home you love. Reach us at 026105 9009 or visit emperorbuildinggroup.com.au. Your dream renovation is just a call away.